This is the world's cutest dog. His name is Gunner Lee, and we love him very much. He has a lot of brothers and sisters. His favorite brother's name is Brew. And he's not only one of the cutest dogs around, he's fucking smart. Aren't you, Gunner? Aren't you, buddy? Come here. Come on. Come here.
By September 14th,
come here.
9,000 tons of debris
Gunner, come on. Gunner. Come on. Show the world how cute you are. Gunner. Gunner. Hey, Gunner. Come here. Gunner. Come here. Sit. 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 Boy. Oh, he's getting excited. Boy.